Check it out! I made myself some new boot laces. How did I do this? With the nice little ends on it and everything, without getting it all unraveled and everything? Like this. There's a few supplies you're going to need. First, you're going to need some paracord. You need some UV nail polish top coat. You need a UV nail lamp. You need a cigarette lighter. And something to cut the paracord with. You could also use another source of flame like matches or something like that. You don't necessarily need to use a cigarette lighter. Biggest problem with paracord is managing to get a good quality end here that's not going to break off but can still be threaded through something. In order to do that, we're first going to cut it even after we stretch it, and then we're going to melt it to create a very small lump on the end that will then coat with the UV nail polish, like this. Alright, we take our length of paracord, and stretch it here to make sure that it screws up on the end. Looks good. Take the flame source, add a little bit of heat to it, just so that it melts. Now that you don't want a lump on it, so I just do that quickly, carefully. It's hot, you just gotta know how to deal with hot things and not burn yourself. There. Now, take our UV nail polish. This is step 3 top coat from Sally Hansen. And let's put a nice little bit on there like that. Let it soak in pretty good. You could probably use regular nail polish, but UV is a lot more effective. Make sure that you got a thorough layer on there. Like that. Then we would take our UV nail lamp, which I should have plugged in ahead of time, but I didn't. And then plug it in. Go like this. Just rotate it in like that for about a minute. Don't look at the UV light, it's really bad for your eyes. Myself, I wear UV protective glasses and I look away, I don't look at what I'm doing. I just have an idea of where my hand is and keep rotating it like that. You can kind of see how bright it is because it's washing out the light. You can also know that it's bright because it's actually enough to warm up your hands. So, cancer warning is on the back of this because of the UV light. Probably should wear gloves if you're going to do this any more than once every year. There, it's done. Take a look at this. Perfect. It's almost like, yeah, it's a strong, hard plastic. Now, you can easily run that through a shoelace. Or the shoe grommet, whatever it's called.
An eye hole.
An eye hole, an eyelid. So then you go as long as you want. Like that. Then you cut it and do it again. And that's how easy it is to make your own shoelaces. Custom length, strong paracord, and voila. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, or whatever, either one. You don't know. I don't care. Thanks for watching.